Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm wearing a hoodie, I have a ponytail, and I'm a psychic medium. I'm the founder of NextGEN Medium, a website, blog, vlog, and podcast, a whole network that focuses on the discovery and development of your psychic abilities. I'm going to do it in a way that makes this whole weird and wild world actually quite normal, makes it perfectly attainable, and makes it not so intimidating. Now, I'm also going to be doing this with complete awareness that a lot of people think this stuff is fake. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not buying it all myself either, but we'll get to that. And that is what you're gonna see on this YouTube channel. So subscribe now and receive my weekly vlogs, and don't forget to check out my corresponding blogs and podcasts that go along with my weekly conversations at nextgenmedium.com. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and say hi in the comments below. Happy discovering!